We're here to see how quickly Toyota's GR Corolla Core can merge onto that freeway. Our average driver is going to release the clutch using normal revs while keeping traction control on.
I wouldn't do that.
That shadow there on the ground is the acceleration of an average car for comparison. Okay, ready? Set. Go! Did you see it pause before accelerating away at the start? The engine bogged a little when the clutch engaged. 60 miles per hour happens in 6.2 seconds, and it hits merging speed in 7.4 at 39% of the on-ramp.
Please stop.
How come?
You have to use more revs and slip the clutch more. Let me try it.
This is very irregular, but if you insist. Remember, we evaluate cars the way real people drive them, so no abusive and unrealistic techniques, right?
The traditional websites are using 7,000 RPM and slipping the clutch a lot.
4,500 and modest clutch slip is your limit. An owner might occasionally do that.
All right.
So hop in and try it. Okay, ready? Set. Go! Notice that it didn't bog at the start. 60 miles per hour now happens in 5.6 seconds and it hits merging speed in 6.8.
Did I get the 4.9 to 60 miles per hour that one of the websites got?
No, but your time is more meaningful and relevant. Check it out on this graph. The red line is the Toyota's first run, Denise's is blue, the black one is the average acceleration of all cars. Here's Denise's better launch, which is great until the first shift. Then the advantage of its all-wheel drive traction fades. Denise's score of 64.6% is noticeably better than our average driver's 57.2.
Can I try 5,000 RPM?